Good morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, in the previous session, I hope that we have understood lesson 6, The Velveteen Rabbit, part 1. Now, children, we see the continuation of that lesson, The Velveteen Rabbit. So, once again, in brief. So, one Christmas, a little boy is given a small stuffed velveteen rabbit along with other presents. So, the boy got a little velveteen rabbit along with other gifts. The boy plays with the modern and mechanical toys he receives. So, whatever the mechanical toys means, like cars and bikes, whatever the key running toys, he plays with them and he forgets about the velveteen rabbit. So, his Nana kept in the cupboard. So, what happened? Every night while sleeping, he used to sleep by having a China dog. So, one day he could not find that China dog. So, his Nana gave him the velveteen rabbit. So, from that day onwards, he used to slept in the boy's bed. What is that? The velveteen rabbit slept in the boy's bed. So, here one incident happens, that is the oldest toy in the collection. That is, the boy had so many toys. So, among that, when the velveteen rabbit was kept in the cupboard, there one more toy is there, that is the skin horse. That tells the rabbit how toys become magically real when children truly love them. So the skin horse told them, whenever the children love these toys, then what happened? Automatically a magic happens and these toys will become real. They can think and they can speak. The rabbit is fascinated by this idea, but his chances of achieving this state are not very bright. But he thinks that it never happens in his life. But now what happened? Now the boy, every night he used to keep this velveteen rabbit in his bed. So in this manner, the boy loved the velveteen rabbit. Now see the continuation. In the spring, the boy and the little bunny had rides in the wheelbarrow and picnic in the garden. See, in the wheelbarrow, he used to take this little bunny. That night, the little bunny was very happy. He felt in his little sawdust heart. What is sawdust heart means? This toy was made of sawdust, the dust which comes from the wood. So in his sawdust heart, too much love towards the boy and his button eyes. Button eyes means in the place of eyes, actually for the toys, button eyes will be there. So in that button eyes started sparkling with love and beauty. It means now it felt that a magic happened to this sawdust toy, that is the velveteen rabbit. So that's why now it also started loving the little boy. See this, in the spring season, they went into the garden for picnic. Near the house was a wood. Wood means, see here, it looks like a small forest filled with so many trees. So near their house, a wood is there. So in the long summer evenings, they went into the wood and the boy liked to play with the velveteen rabbit. So there they used to go and the boy liked to play with the velveteen rabbit. Before wandered off, he always made a little nest for the rabbit. See, he made a little nest for the rabbit to make it comfortable. He was a kind-hearted boy, so he made Bunny to be comfortable. So what happened, see, that moment? So in this manner, every day they used to go into the wood. One evening, while the rabbit was lying there alone, that moment only the toy rabbit is there. Then what he had seen, see, he saw two strange creatures creep out of the tall grass near him. So what this toy rabbit has observed is two strange creatures. Some creatures are there. They came out of the tall grass near him. So but actually, who are they? These two strange creatures were the real rabbits. See? But the toy rabbit thought that they were strange because they must have been very well made and their lines of stitching did not show at all. So, but what the toy rabbit thought by looking these two creatures, it thought that these two are also some toys only. But how they were prepared? So while preparing a toy, some stitches will be there, the lines of stitching. But here, as it is real, they don't have any seams, that is the lines of stitching. So because of that, what the toy rabbit thought, maybe these are the new toy rabbits. But while making them, there were no lines of stitches seam to them. It felt. The toy rabbit observed that the two rabbits' feet padded softly. You see, actually, the feet of the rabbits will be padded. See, below the feet, how they were, like pad means while they are placing their feet on the ground, it completely touches the ground and they are very soft. The toy rabbit observed that the two rabbits' feet padded softly on the ground and they changed their shape when they moved. 1 minute as they were long and thin, and the next fat and bunchy. Bunchy means very closed. So it means while these rabbits jumping, they can simply show that their appearance as sometimes fat, sometimes thin, and sometimes very closed. See, they crept quite close to the toy rabbit. It means they came very near to the toy rabbit, twitching their noses means sometimes while sneezing, a little bit jerk will be there on our nose. In the same sense, you may observe that the rabbits will do like that. So what these two had done, the real rabbits, they came very close to the toy rabbit, making short jerky movements, especially of their nose. So what they have done, the toy rabbit felt they were clearly a new kind of rabbit. Still, the toy rabbit is feeling that they were toys only, but not the real rabbits. These two rabbits stared at him by twitching their noses. But these real rabbits, they felt a little bit strange regarding the toy rabbit and they were continuously looking this toy rabbit by making a jerking to their nose. So among these, what happened, see, one of them had asked that why didn't he get up and play with them. So one of the real rabbit asked the toy rabbit. So why didn't he get up and play with these two real rabbits? Then the toy rabbit told that he don't feel like it. Actually, the toy rabbit could not get up, could not walk, could not play, could not dance. So actually what he told, he don't want to play. Then the second rabbit said that it was very easy to hop. Hop means, by jumping on one leg. Hop and stood on his hind legs. Hind legs means back legs. It stood on its back legs. See how it stood? On his back legs, it stood. It called as hind legs. But the toy rabbit could not do this. Even these two real rabbits asked to hop and stand on the back legs. But the toy rabbit could not do this because it is not a real rabbit. He sat still in the nest and hoped that other rabbits would not notice. So still what it is feeling? It feels that these two rabbits should not think that is a toy rabbit. That's why it don't want to get up. The wild rabbits observed that the toy rabbit did not have any hind legs. So at last what happened? These two real rabbits found that the toy rabbit did not have the back legs. It is just a fancy rabbit. By saying, they began to laugh. So these two real rabbits, they understood the toy rabbit was not a real one. So by saying this, they were laughing. But the little rabbit cried. Cried means here shouted that it was sitting on the hind legs. So it was sitting on its back legs. When the two wild rabbits asked to show them, it could not show them. But even the real rabbits asked them to show the back legs, but the toy rabbit could not show them. But simply it said that it did not like dancing. So to escape from the situation, it told that it did not like dancing. Then the two wild rabbits came near to the velveteen rabbit's ear. So they came very close to the velveteen rabbit's ear. They wrinkled their nose suddenly and jumped backwards. Wrinkle means they folded, slight folding the nose. After that, what happened? Suddenly, they jumped backwards because it did not smell a rabbit. A real rabbit can smell the other real rabbits. But when they smell the toy rabbit, it could not smell like real rabbit. That's why they felt that it is not a real rabbit. Because the toy rabbit was made of sawdust. It is only a toy. It was made of the wood powder only. So the toy rabbit did not dance or play with the other rabbits. See here, the rabbit was made of sawdust. Just then, the boy ran towards the little bunny. So that moment what happened? The boy, he came running towards the little bunny. Immediately, the two rabbits had disappeared. They went inside the bushes. Even the toy rabbit shouted at them to come and play with him and to tell them that it was a real rabbit. The toy rabbit tried to call the real rabbits to come and play with him, and it wanted to tell them it was a real rabbit. But there was no answer and they never returned. The two real rabbits escaped, but they never returned. And the boy came and carried the toy rabbit home. So later what happened? The boy returned. Meanwhile, and he took the toy rabbit and he went home. So children, what happens? By hearing this story, we can understand that small children, especially, they found friends in their favorite toys. So they like the toys very much. Sometimes, see, most of the times while eating, sleeping, also they will use these and they will keep these toys along with them only. So we can surely say that we can find a friend in our favorite toy. So not only small children, everyone can find a friend in their favorite toy. Now children, today's assignment, read lesson 6. I have given us 5, but lesson 6, the Velveteen Rabbit, in your textbook. So children, read lesson 6, the Velveteen Rabbit, in your textbook. Thank you children.